Hello everyone, happy to see you again today. Right here in the video, 19 minus 17, which equals 2 times 19 minus 17, which equals 2. Now we have this problem, 2 times 2, which equals 4. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parenthesis, 19 minus 17, 2. So we have 19 minus 17 times 2. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 17 times 2, which equals 34. So we have 19 minus 34. So 19 minus 34, which equals minus 15. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your thoughts.